In this video, I will show you how to find the saved Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. The process is very similar in Windows 10 as well. Let's begin step by step. First, right-click on the Start button. From the menu that appears, click on Network Connections. The Network Settings window will open, where you can see information about your current network connections. At the top, you will see the Wi-Fi network that your computer is currently connected to. In this example, my computer is connected to a mobile hotspot, so the mobile network name is displayed here. Now click on Wi-Fi to open the wireless network settings. You will now see the details of the Wi-Fi connection. Find the network connection for which you want to view the password and click on it. The Network Properties window will open. Click on the Show button next to Wi-Fi connection password. Once you click Show, Windows will reveal the saved password for that Wi-Fi network. You will also see additional information such as the network name and a QR code that can be scanned to connect another device to the same Wi-Fi network quickly. And that's how you find or recover a saved Wi-Fi password in Windows 11.